For this trick you need a pack of sweets which is whole, hasn't been unopened. You need a few extra sweets and the corner of a packet. And what you do is you fold over this corner, and what you're going to do is place this just here so it looks like it's an open pack of sweets, but it's not, it's just a complete pack, and that's just sitting there. Then I just place the sweets on top, balance there, and I hold them with my thumb so I can show a pack of sweets. I can tear off and pour out apparently the sweets, and then take my pack and I can apparently fix it so it's a completely solid pack.